Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on settings here. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on controls here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Come here to just right here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's main gestures, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.